How many molecules are in 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide? Most students get stuck right here, not because they can't do it, but because they don't know which direction to go. If you are guessing multiply or to divide, then you don't understand the mole concept yet. A mole is just a counting unit, just like saying 1 dozen of eggs equals 12 eggs. So we can compare this analogy to what 1 mole represents. So 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 particles, where particles can either be atoms if you are dealing with an element, molecules if you are dealing with compounds, or ions. Now, taking another look at the question again. How many molecules are in 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide? The question wants us to convert moles to number of particles. So, if you see a question that takes you from moles to number of particles, then all you have to do is multiply. All you have to do is to multiply. But if the question is asking you to convert from particles to moles, then all you have to do is to what? Divide the number given with the Avogadro's number. By the way, the 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23, that value is also known as Avogadro's number. So let's solve the question. 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide to its number of particles. So with everything said, all we have to do is to just multiply, because we are going from moles to particles. So it will be 0.5 times 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23, and our answer will be 3.01 times 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. Now we are going with molecules because our carbon dioxide is a compound. So compounds to molecules, elements to atoms. Now let's take a look at another question. How many moles are in 1.2 times 10 raised to the power 24 atoms of sodium? Now, looking at this question closely, we are going from number of particles to moles, and in this context all we have to do is to divide with the Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. So going straight to the solution, we'll just take it as mole equals the number of particles given in the question, which is 1.2 times 10 raised to the power 24 atoms, divided by Avogadro's number of particles, which is 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. So our answer will be equal to 0.199 times 10 raised to the power 1, which will be equals to 1.99, and we approximate to 2. So that's 2 moles of sodium. So this is how you answer questions that involve moles and number of particles.